Hey everyone, welcome back. The action figure trend, where you turn yourself into a box toy with your own little accessories, is genuinely one of the easiest things ChatGPT does, and you can do the whole thing on your phone for free. The only reason people get bad results is the prompt, so I'll give you the exact one. Let's get into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and open it. Now tap the plus icon on the left of the message box, tap Photos, and pick the picture you want to use. Use a clear photo of yourself, face to camera, decent light, nothing across your face. Tap it, then tap Add, and it attaches to your message. Now the prompt, and it's 4 parts. What you want it to make, the packaging, the name on the box, and your accessories. So I'm typing, turn this photo into a toy action figure sealed in blister packaging, with the name Alex printed on the top of the box, and accessories beside the figure, a laptop, a coffee cup, and a skateboard. Tap Send. And this one takes about 40 seconds because it's building a full product photo. And here's the thing everybody gets wrong. They just type "make me an action figure," and they get a random toy that looks nothing like them, in a plain box, with no accessories. The accessories are the whole joke. That's what makes it yours. So name 3 things you're actually known for. And there it is! A boxed figure with my face, my name across the top, and the 3 accessories in their own little slots, exactly as described. Now to change anything, don't start again. Tap the image to open it full screen, tap Edit at the bottom, and describe just the change. I'm typing, change the accessories to a guitar and headphones. Send that, and it keeps the same figure and the same box, and swaps only what I asked for. And when you've got one you like, keep it. Tap the image to open it full screen, and at the top there's Save. Tap that, and it goes straight into your phone's gallery as a normal picture, ready to post. One quick warning while you're here, only do this with photos of yourself. Making a toy out of somebody else's face without asking is not a great look, and it will get you reported. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT, tap the plus icon, tap Photos, and attach a clear photo of your face. Then use the 4-part prompt. Turn this into a toy action figure, sealed in blister packaging, with your name on the box, and 3 accessories beside the figure. Give it 40 seconds. To tweak it, open the image, tap Edit, and describe only the change, so it keeps the figure you already liked. Then open it again, and tap Save to drop it into your gallery, and keep it to your own face. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.